Loaded with natural protein and boosts your athletic performance by 15% with Protein Smoothie is the next level. Super creamy, super healthy, super quick and easy, super tasty. A total game changer for your workout. So good. So hit the subscribe button and let's get started. First up, pour a cup of purple grape juice into a blender. Along with a package of silken tofu. Next, blend it until super creamy and super smooth. Now enjoy a super tasty and super healthy protein smoothie. Thanks for watching.